Well, that is a pretty grain. Welcome to Retired for Life. I'm your host, Brian. I retired a few years ago after 30 years in a factory job as a machinist in a millwright. I needed to rediscover what life could really be like. When we purchased this property, the house had stood empty for over a year, and the property had been badly ravaged by poor logging practices. Since my retirement, I've been working to renovate the home and restore the surrounding forest to its natural beauty and attract wildlife back to the property. Join me as I learn about nature and working with wood to create the backdrop for this new chapter of our lives. Well, hello YouTube, and welcome back to Retired for Life. So as you may remember from my last video, we are waiting for the man lift in order to complete the work that we still have for the east wall of the house. So I'm doing a few fill-in jobs, and one of them, my neighbor gave me this piece of hardwood. I'm not positive as to what it is. As I recall, it's something really hard, but anyway, he gave me this piece of hardwood, which is just a stump, as you can see. It basically falls in between my bunks, so I'm using my toe board on the one end to hold it. So I'm going to try and cut some short planks out of this, roughly 1 inch thick, with a live edge. So the trick is going to be getting a square corner on it first and then cutting our boards from there. So I don't have any hardwood blades left, so I've only got my softwood blades. So we'll see how that works. I'm not sure that we'll be able to cut this thing very easily, but let's give it a go. It's really bouncing around. All right, that'll be a little more stable of a cut. All right, I need a better way to hold it. My 2x6 is too thick, and it's got me pushed back so far that I can't really get my clamp on there. And I'm not going to try to cut this little piece without a clamp. All right, I think that'll work. All right, we got two parallel sides. That cut reasonably well. So now we need to try to get our 90-degree cut. Yeah, this is being a bit of a stinker to get lined up here. All right, let's try that. It's not bad. So we've got reasonably square corner, and from this point on, we're going to try to cut it up into 1-inch thick boards, leaving a live edge. And it looks like there's live things under this live edge. Well, there we are. We've got 7 1-inch thick planks and 1 2-inch thick. Well, that is a pretty grain. All right, we'll drop these off. Unfortunately, my neighbor isn't home for a few days, so I can't ask him what kind of wood this is. I'm just not sure. All right, let's drop these off. We're going to clean up and go have dinner and then get on to our next extra task. All right, folks, I just heard from Rental Village. They have a machine for me. Yes, so we're going to end this video here. I'm not going to have time for any more side jobs on this. We've got our boards for the section of the fascia that we're going to repair, basically ready to go or almost ready to go. So we're going to go pick up our man lift and see how that goes. So be sure to stay tuned to the next video and we'll see that man lift in action. So thanks very much for watching, folks. If you've got any suggestions, thoughts, comments, anything like that, please let me know. I always get back to everybody who comments, and I really appreciate the feedback. So remember to stay safe out there, be good to each other, and we will see you out on the trails the next time. Okay, we're getting closer.